Hello, this is Ripon and in today's video we will discuss about another very important thing for our this series of WordPress theme development. And in today's video we'll discuss about how to dynamic this sidebar part for our blog page. So for dynamic this, as you can see, this one is static and it is coming with this form only. Now today we will try to dynamic this with the WordPress so that we can add our widgets from our dashboard from here, like in the appearance, then in the widgets, then we are having already registered a footer sidebar. As you can see, for this part we have registered that. Now today we'll try to dynamic also this part, this sidebar area for our theme. So if I go here, and you will see that aside class sidebar area, and there is a widgets area and the search from. So the thing that is repeating here is this one. Inside this one it will get just duplicating things. So if I go here, and you will see the difference here. So this thing is the repetitive things here. So I will just take this part here, and we can remove it completely from here. And after that, in the inc folder in the TechBiz widgets registration, we need to register another sidebar for the sidebar. So if I duplicate this one, if you don't know how I have made this one for the footer, please watch the complete episode so you can know about this one. So I will just duplicate this one, and I will make a new one here with blog sidebar. And in here I will write TechBiz blog sidebar, blog sidebar. And wizards will show in blog sidebar area, and all the things before wizards. This one will works for here as this part here, the wizards, then the class name of the wizard search. So this one will be works for the before wizards, and this is the finishing. And before title, this one will be for the title. As you can see here, if there is any kind of title to the wizards, then that one will be the responsible for that one. So we will just remove this one from here. Okay. And what we need to do, we will do a little bit different things here. In the sidebar.php there is nothing. So in the sidebar.php we will do the dynamic things. So I will just copy the doc tag from here, this one, this the package name, and I'll paste it here and remove this one also. So in here I will check that if that sidebar is activate or not, this sidebar, this take this block sidebar. So if is active widgets, okay, this is called widgets. So if is active widgets, the name of the widgets will be this one, the take this block sidebar, this one. If not active, if this sidebar is not active, then it will return. If you don't know, then make sure that you know about this one, what is written. So if the sidebar is not active, then this file will not work anymore. Okay. Now what we need to do, we need to do here. If I go here, you will see that inside this we will have all the sidebar that we are having. So if I just dynamic this that echo dynamic sidebar, and inside this dynamic sidebar the id name will be here, that is our TechBiz block sidebar, TechBiz block sidebar. Now we will here, in here we'll call just get sidebar, php get sidebar, get sidebar. Okay. Now if I go here in this part and give a refresh, then you will see that another block sidebar is already here. I will write a paragraph text to check if it's working or not and give a update. And if I give a refresh here now, then there's nothing now. So I need to do is this echo, this one will be not here, and that echo will be in here. Echo get sidebar, and if I give a refresh, sorry, we have made a mistakes here. This one will be is active sidebar, then the ID. Then if I give a refresh now, then you can see the content is here now. Now if I go to here and design a little bit more, like I will search here, like with the I want the search from to be appear here, search, and with the title is already there, so we don't not need to give anything else, and give a refresh, then we will see the search from here. Now suppose I want to show another things, I want to add some meta. So this meta text, and if I want to set this title as a title and give update, and if I give a refresh again, you can see the meta also is here. Now I need to make it to capitalize so it looks good, and give a refresh, then you can see the meta is also there. So I hope that you have understand that what I have tried to dynamic today. So if you have any question, please comment down below. I'll try to answer a lot of the question that you are having. Thank you very much. See you in our next episode. Bye.